Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 38, adding 3 or more single-digit numbers. So let's say I have 2 plus 4 plus 8 up here on the board. Okay. To help us answer this, I can sometimes add certain numbers first to help me out. So, for example, I could add 8 plus 2 first, and then add 4. So these parentheses just tell me to do that first. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 equals 14. So sometimes it's a lot easier to add to 10 first and then add the extras. What if I have this? 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3. What numbers do you think would be easiest to add together first? So one way would be to add. I could add the first number to the second number, and then that number to the third number, and then that number to the fourth number. Okay? So let's try that. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. And then we have 11 plus 6 equals 17, and then 17 plus 3 equals 20. So my answer is 20 at the end. But some people find it easier to add a column of numbers by using some shortcuts, such as looking for sums of 10. Okay? And they do it like this. We draw V's to show the numbers that we add to make 10. So we do 4 plus 6 is 10. And then we have 7 plus 3 is 10. And then I can just add those together. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And that's really easy to come up with. Okay. We can also have our numbers this way. Do you see any numbers that we can add to equal 10? Well, we have 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. All right. So we then have a 5 and a 4. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. All right, here's all of these are the first one-digit numbers, 1 through 9. So the easiest way to add these together will be to find what numbers add to equal 10. Okay, or we could look for doubles, but there aren't any. Okay, so what numbers have a sum of 10? Well, I know that 1 and 9 equal 10, and I know that 2 and 8 equal 10, 3 and 7 equal 10, and 4 and 6 equal 10. And all I have left is the 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40, and then I have 5 left over. So 40 plus 5 is 45. Okay, so when you're adding problems or adding numbers, it's easiest if you find numbers that add up to equal 10, because it's really easy to add 10. Let's do one more for practice. Okay, so here we have 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 4. So let's look for our sums of 10. Okay, so here we have 1 and 9 equals 10. 8 and 2 equals 10, and 7 and 3 equals 10. And then 4 is left by itself. So we have 10, 20, 30 plus 4 is 34. Okay. Now, sometimes we don't have any sums of 10, so instead we can look for doubles. So let's say I have 8 plus 3 plus 8. There are no sums of 10, but I know already that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So that's a double that I've learned. So 16 plus 3 equals 19. Okay. What about if I have 9 plus 4 plus 4? Well, I know 4 plus 4 is 8. So then 9 plus 8 equals 17. Okay. And so these are some shortcuts to help you add long strings of numbers. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.